Hello, let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, pink color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, forest green color, purple color, yellow green color, deep yellow color. Now draw 2D shapes. Arrow. We are drawing arrow shape, kids. It's an arrow. What is this? Arrow. Arrow. Square. We are drawing a square shape. Square. Pie. Pie shape. Pie. Triangle. It's a triangle shape, kids. Triangle. Hexagon. We are drawing hexagon shape. It's a hexagon. Hexagon. Right triangle. It's a right triangle shape. Right triangle. Right triangle. Vermilion color. Vermilion color. First green color. First green color. Black color. Black color. Brick brown color. Brick brown color. Cool grey color. Cool grey color. Yellow oak color. Yellow oak color. Arrow. Square, pie, triangle, hexagon, right triangle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.